afternoon, class 2nd students. This is your GK book, page number 35, Science Savvy. Now, sensing it. So there are things we all have, human beings have. How many senses? We all have 5 senses. Now mention what each part of the girl's face does. So this is a girl face and we have to write that what part the girl's face does. So this is a help box and there are 5 senses which are feel, see, hear, taste and smell. These are the 5 senses. And first is eyes. What eyes do? Eyes see. Through eyes we can see. Eyes हम लोग आंखों से ही देखते हैं. So we see from eyes. Second, ears. What we do from ears? From ears we hear. हम अपने कानों से सुनते हैं. So from ears we hear. Now third, this is a tongue. What tongue do? Because of tongue only we can taste many flavors. So by using tongue we taste. Now fourth, nose. What we do with through nose? We smell. जो भी किसी चीज को अगर हमें स्मेल करना होता है we use nose. So by using nose we smell. Now fifth is skin. This is our skin and what skin do? Skin help us to feel. When we have to feel something, we feel it with skin. So there are 5 senses which are feel, see, hear, taste and smell. Now do you know your face uses more muscles to frown than to smile? हमारी जो muscles होती हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा use होती हैं when we frown than to smile. So keep smiling. Now, so we have to always keep smiling. Now page number 36 are senses. In the box below are some words that make you think about seeing, hearing, smelling, touching and tasting. Place each word in the right block. So there are some words which are given here which we see, touch, taste and hear, and we have to write them in these boxes. Now first word is rainbow. What we do? Rainbow ko we can touch rainbow? No. We can feel rainbow? No. We can see rainbow. So you have to write rainbow in a third column C. Rainbow, RAINBOW, rainbow. Now second is bitter. When we eat something and it is bitter in taste, so kadwa hota hai, तो how we get to know that it is bitter in taste? We taste that. So write bitter, BITTER, bitter. Write 4 here. Write third. In front of rainbow write 3, that it comes in the third column. In front of bitter write 4, it will come in 4th column. Now fluffy. When we touch something we get to know that it is very fluffy. So write fluffy in 2nd column, touch. FLUFFY, fluffy. Now write second here. Now cold. How we get to know that the thing is cold? When we touch it. So write COLD, cold, in touch column and write 2 here. Now talking. When we talk something, when someone is talking, what we do? We hear. So write talking in the hear section. Write TALKING, talking. Write 1 in front of talking. Now red. What we do red? We see it. So C is on the 3rd number. So write 3 here. Now next is lightning. lightning होती है तो what we do? We see it. So write 3 in front of lightning. Now south. हमें कैसे पता चलता है कोई चीज खट्टी है? when we taste it. So it will come in the fourth column, taste. Write 4 in front of sour. Now smooth. How we get to know that the thing is very smooth? when we touch it. SMOOTH, smooth. It comes under the touch section. So write 2 here. Now hissing. Hissing जब when snake hisses, what we do? We hear it hissing. So it will come in here. HISSING, hissing. On first one. Now perfume. What we do? Perfume, we smell it. So it will come in the smell section. So write 5 here. Now fruity. When we smell something, we say that it has some fruity taste. So we smell it. SFRUITY, fruity. So write 5 in front of fruity. Now sunset. When sunset, what we do? We see it. SUNSET, sunset. We see it. So write 3 here. Now sticky. When something is sticky, how we know? We know by touching it. So it will come in the touch section. Write 2 in front of sticky. Now second is sweet. Sweet, how we know that the thing is sweet? when we taste it. So write in taste section SWEET, sweet. Now write 4 in front of sweet. Now thunder. What we do? Thunder, we hear it, we listen to it. So it will come in the section here. It is in first. So write 1 in front of thunder. Now buzz. We also hear buzz. We hear with our ears. So it will come in the section first here. Now when the phone rings, what we do? We hear ringing. So it will come in the section here. RINGING, ringing. So write 1 here. Now soft. Soft, how we get to know that the thing is soft? when we touch it. So soft, it will come in the section touch. So you will write 2 in front of soft. Now last is salty. When we taste something, we get to know that it is very salty. So it will come in the taste. SALTY, salty. Now write salty is on taste on number 4. So you will write 4 in front of salt. Now you have done all the numbering. Now you can see. Now you can write the rainbow is on third number. So you will write rainbow on third number. Now bitter is on fourth number. So you will write bitter in fourth column. So you can fill like this. Now see, in here it will come talking, hissing, thunder, buzz and ringing. On second column touch, it will come smooth, fluffy, sticky, soft and cold. Now in third column see, rainbow, red, sunset, lightning. Fourth taste, bitter, sour, tasty, salty and sweet. Now in fifth column smell, perfume and fruity. Do you know the skin is our body's largest organ and contains more than 4 million sensory receptors? Full stop. जो हमारी skin है, it has largest organ and it contains more than 4 million sensory receptors. It has 4 million sensory receptors. So this is it for today. Do it in your book, and if you don't have book, then do it in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.